Guys, I'm gonna cook this chicken tikka masala, Saffron Road. My breakfast this morning. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Let it cool off. There we go. 5 minutes was all this one needed. Smells delicious. Give it a little stir. Oh, this smells so good. Let's give it a try. Lots of sauce in this one. Nice and spicy. Yeah, it's really good. Got some good chicken tikka masala. Yeah, lots of sauce in here. If you had some naan bread, some garlic naan bread toasted up, you could dip that in here with it and have yourself a fine Indian food meal. So yeah, this was really good. I'd recommend this one. It was just about $3.80 at Walmart for this thing. So a little spendy, but tasty. All right, thanks for watching. I've reached out a little bit. Put my own grilled chicken in there and some avocado too. I would recommend this one. This is spicy enough to make your nose run, but not too spicy. Yeah, this was real good.